Hello, Papa TV.
One sunny day, a little bunny was hopping through the forest. He saw a small cave hiding behind the trees. The curious bunny went inside the cave.
Oh, wow.
At first, the bunny was moving forward carefully. Wow, the cave was full of glowing mushrooms and shiny crystals. They sparkled like stars. The bunny's eyes went big with wonder. Then he saw a pond. It glowed with colors like a rainbow. He bounced further into the cave, and guess what? He found a secret forest inside. It was full of bright flowers, buzzing bees, and fluttering butterflies. The bunny twirled and hopped with joy. What a magical place to play! Our little bunny was very hungry. As he sniffed the air, he spotted something wonderful. He tiptoed through the tall grass, being extra careful. He peeked into the garden. Wow! Shiny tomatoes, leafy lettuce, and his favorite, carrot. His eyes sparkled. Yummy, he whispered. He started munching on a carrot. But then, someone was coming. The bunny froze, then dove into the veggies. Only his big, floppy ears were sticking out. When the coast was clear, he dashed out of the garden, but not without grabbing one last carrot. Back in the woods, safe and sound, he nibbled happily. What an adventure for a hungry little bunny! One chilly morning, the little bunny opened his eyes. He peeked outside and gasped. It was snowing. Soft, white flakes floated down like tiny feathers. Excited, he wiggled his nose and hopped outside. Hop, 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 into the winter wonderland. He ran through the snow, leaving little paw prints behind. All day long, he played and twirled under the snowy sky. As the sun began to set, the sky turned pink and sleepy. He hopped back to his cozy little home and whispered, "What a perfect snowy day." It was a sunny day, and the little bunny was hopping through the meadow, but oh no, his tummy gave a loud grumble. He was hungry. He sniffed the air. Sniff, sniff. What's that yummy smell? Carrots and fresh vegetables. With twitching ears and a wiggly nose, the bunny followed the scent through tall grass and flowers. Soon, he found a patch full of tasty treats. Crunchy carrots, leafy greens, delicious. He nibbled and munched with joy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Then he looked around, picked the biggest, juiciest carrots. With a full belly and food for later, the bunny hopped happily back home. What a lucky day in the meadow. One morning, the little bunny peeked out of his cozy home. Drip, drop, drip. It was raining. But the bunny didn't mind. He loved the sound of rain. As he wandered through the meadow, he heard a loud splash.
Come play with me.
The frog asked the bunny. The bunny giggled and leaped into the water. Water danced in the air, and laughter filled the rainy day. With happy heart, Bunny decided to go home.